The Tonquin Valley is a one-way trail, so I parked my car at the end and either had to hitchhike or take a cab to the trailhead. With just 2 cab companies in Jasper, I paid $100 for the privilege of a cab ride. The yellow thing on my backpack is a bear bell. This is the first time I've used one, and having heard it in person, I'm not sure it's alerting any bear before it's right on top of me. Within 2 hours, the rain had started. I got about a day and a half of steady rain to start this hike. It doesn't look like much, but it sure beats a hole in the ground. I know it looks luxurious, but the tent is basically the size of my body. It is not easy to film animals on your phone. I got this and one other. So you'll have to trust me that I also saw a marmot, ferret, bald eagle, and pikas. I've actually thought the trail was a little too civilized at the start. But I'd soon be wishing for these trail conditions again. With preparation and care, I kept my base layer dry and slept great at night. This is what they call foreshadowing. Often I don't even bring my stove with me hiking, but this time I was trying some new freeze-dried food out. The pasta was really good, the rice was basically mush, and the bacon and eggs were the surprise hit of the trip. I'm even eating them at home now. And here we go. I got about 2 straight days of trail conditions exactly like this. Even after the first day and a half, it rained numerous times every day. I thought that was supposed to be the BC side of the Rockies that got rain like this. Still a few wildflowers around, which was a pleasant surprise. Moose sighting. It's the first time I've seen a moose in the wild that wasn't licking salt off the side of the road. No pack today, as I was doing a day hike and I left it back at camp. Heading up the side of this mountain to see a glacier in the Eremite Valley. Tons of blueberries in the valley, but no signs of grizzlies, or anywhere else on the hike for that matter. And this is the Eremite Glacier. The view back down to the valley where I started the day hike. It's kind of hard to see, but the lines coming diagonally out of the glacier was runoff. Pretty impressive stuff. In case you were wondering earlier, this is why I didn't bother avoiding puddles. You might as well just walk through it because they're impossible to avoid. First look at the Tonquin Valley. The Ramparts. I hope you don't get sick of this view as I filmed it a lot. I ended up wearing the same socks every day because there was no way you were keeping them dry. But that first 15 minutes in the morning was pretty awful. Finally, some solid ground. So was hiking through all the mud and water worth it? Yeah, you better believe it was. This low quality video is actually an avalanche. The gray cloud diagonally to the left of the sun. Sorry, I couldn't reshoot this video. Nice view of the ramparts from my tent. And an even better view from the toilet, although I still spent most of my time at my tent. The valley is known as a caribou area. I woke up early to try and see them. Didn't see a thing, but still got some nice views. Last view of the ramparts, I promise. Notice how high the mud is on my rain pants? This is why. I have no idea why I spent so much time trying to step on this rock. The trail leading up the Maccarib Pass. Raining again. The hike in total was 4 nights and almost 4 complete days. The black mess to the left of the trail is made by people wanting to stay spotless while backcountry hiking and leaving the designated trail. If you don't want to get dirty, there are plenty of paved and gravel trails for you in Jasper. Stay on this trail and stop destroying nature. Okay, rant over. Now here's a shot of a rainbow to calm us all down. Finally some sun to dry all my stuff out. Shoes excluded, of course. Started hiking early today in order to catch my flight back to Toronto. Of course, more rain, but at least I got this beautiful view. And one last time.